let's get to the token creation process itself right now. So I warn you that the tokens will be on the ERC trading network. It is impossible to create them on the ERC network through remix.ethereum because it's Ethereum only, obviously. But we can safely withdraw these tokens and then swap them to the ERC network during the withdrawal process. This is not a big problem. You can exchange them for any token of your liking, so it's no problem. But initially, the tokens will be in ERC20, so Ethereum. Okay. This said, let's get ahead. First thing, we need 0.12 of Ethereum. This is the minimum to stay safe, but the more the better. So I have 0.2, I'll use that. So the more amount you have, the higher amount, the more base you have, so it's gonna be safer. So you actually need the minimum amount of 0.12. This is very important. So, or simply will get stuck, it won't go through. So let's go. This we want to avoid this, obviously. So as you can see, we have 0.3 in my wallet. Okay. You need to have the same thing. You need to have MetaMask installed, the extension. I have a dive on my channel if you need to check it. And I also, in this video, besides showing you my everything, I'll show you my withdrawals or stake. There's like deposit and withdrawals. You can check everything, paid, a little bit this. As you can see, I have play on it, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna play with the balance with my mute tokens. Okay. So watch until the end, and we're gonna show you how you do that. Okay. Now I think we can go back to our remix stage. Perfect. Effect. So right now we are in our new remix stage. We're gonna go to our to the website link in the description. You just gotta copy everything and paste it, create a new file called USDT.sol, and then paste in the code that we have copied from the outer page. So just put that in, click that, Control V, that's it, perfect. Now we copy it, we pick up it and paste the code. Now we go one step below to the Solidity compiler page. We need to select the version 0.6.6. As you can see, it's this one. Okay, this is the version that is listed at the top of our code, so it's gonna be the same version as you can see. At the doctor it says Pragma Solidity, as you can see. Okay. So this is compatible. Now click compile. So now it works perfectly. Okay, we go below once again. Next thing, we need to expand our contract and to deploy it. So we click deploy on top. We choose our environment, the select connect, wallet connect, and then select our MetaMask wallet. You need to have the extension selected. You can only do this with MetaMask. It's the best wallet and it works best. You can do it with other wallets. With the EVM network, it works the best. This means we have no problems with it, no issues. So what we're supposed to do next? Yeah, it's easy. We click on this arrow below. We have these two lines. We put him the name of our token. Our token is got to be USDT. So I put USDT, lower caps, and then on the bottom you put ERC20, also lower caps. Okay, as you can see, this is what I've put in. You need to do the same or it won't work. Once again, it's only ERC20, go to ERC. Click transact. Okay, and now we're going to see the fee window, the gas fee. So initially, there's going to be a fee that's going to be rounded down. So it'll be 0.6. We have rounded up one interval. So it's 0.4 for us. Now we're going to put it to 1. So if it's going to be lower, the transaction won't go through. You might encounter some issues and it will get stuck. I'm guaranteeing you the transaction will be cancelled and you will lose money. It's a common issue. I get contacted about it a lot, and we cannot have this. So just be careful. Okay, let's go ahead. As you can see, I round it up. You do the same. For any amount, you just round up one number. Okay, confirm. Now we wait till the wallet to pop up. We get confirm once again. And now we just gotta wait. Okay, the transaction is complete. Perfect. Okay. Going to our contract on the left, we're gonna open it up. You can see if this is our contract. It's a liquid tool. Now we're gonna have to put some of the handfuls. So we need to top up our on contract right now. Okay. As you can see on my wallet, we have 0.2 ETH, as I said earlier. Now we go in, we send we paste the thing that we copied earlier, so the address of the contract, and now it press continue. We select our value. I would recommend 0.22, but 0.12 works perfectly fine. Just don't go below that. I also assure that we are swapped our tokens into real money, so when the Flash will be not on our wallet, we can safely withdraw our liquid pool. Yes, the liquidity of our tokens will already be gone, but our services will be far from our wallet, so it's not a problem, we're gonna have it. Yeah? Great. Now we now wait. Transaction complete once again, perfectly. Now we just need to wait until it shows up on below, okay? There we go. As you can see, the money got subtracted from the balance. We can see that our wallet is updated. Now we need to run the script to create our tokens. So we press start, it's the first red button, and now we go to this window again. Once again, you round up the number and go again. I'll mask again, but when I confirm this is the money for the gas fee. It's no extra money. The main money is already in. Okay, perfect. The liquid pool has been successfully replenished. Sorry for my English. Let's close this window. We do withdraw our token to your wallet right now. Okay, that's it. The liquid pool has been successfully updated. So let's wait and click withdraw. Now once again we round up the fee. Don't forget it. Don't forget about it. And wait for the second confirmation once again. Okay, it's loading. Submit. It's taking a lot of time. Okay, perfect. Copied once again. Perfect. It's being pretty quick to do, I can't lie. Now we check our balance. You can see the tokens are being displayed, as you can see on the bottom. Perfect. And now they are in our wallet. Okay, everything's perfect. Now that we have completed the process of creating Flash USDT, we can move on to the process of withdrawing it. The idea is to send our money to a gambling site to give it a value, run it through one of the games, and then output it. The best site that will suit you is, as I said earlier, stake.com. This platform has a lot of processors. They almost always do not check Flash USDT or regular, so it will suit us perfectly. Let's get to the process. What do we need to do now? So for example, I'm going to use stayhere.com. It's why I recommend you can use any casino. It's similar, but I'm going to use Stake since it's the most popular casino. It's going to work best probably. As the biggest old money, but you're not going to get noticed your small amount of coins. So when we copy the address and we just send our tokens there. Don't forget to set the ERC network because our token is ERC20. Don't mix it up with TRC. Be very careful about this one. We just selected the number we want and we send it. We click confirm. As you see, I have actually sent money and it's going to get deposited right now. Now I just need to wait for this transaction to be displayed. That's it for a few. Let's wait. Okay, look, very quick, perfect. If your method best as regard to account line. Okay, our main goal is to play a little bit with the tokens so they get mixed up and then we can change them, no problem. So I am going to use the dice game because the easiest game, so you lose the least amount of money. I'm going to use the safest setting, so I'm going to go through auto. I'm going to select the auto to make it a bit quickly. You know, we don't have all the time in the world to do it, right? So I'm going to drag it all the way down, and then I'm going to choose, so I choose the minimal amount. So I have a 1% chance to lose and 99% chance to win. So biggest amount, sorry. So we put a big amount of bets. So I am going to say 12 bets of $10,000 each. So you split your balance in 12 equal bets. So if you have 100,000, you go 8,000 each. So this is the best safe method. So I'm gonna put a stop loss on 10,000 so we don't splurge. Technically, we should not lose any money on this one. It's really bad if you lose money. It's unlucky, rather. It's nothing bad, right? We can do it again. Okay, as you can see, we keep a winning, perfect smooth. We win and we see our money. Okay, that was scary. That was close. Oh my god. Okay, this was the last one. Perfect. Auto bet is done. Now we can just withdraw tokens. That's it. You should I play more? Sure, go ahead. Now, so I'm gonna click on your wallet. So we go now open it again. You're gonna click withdraw this time. You need to have a verified stake account, by the way, to do this. You want to withdraw the whole amount. So for me, it's now 135,000 USD. So we copy our address, as you can see in the MetaMask wallet. We just paste it in and click withdraw. As you can see, perfect. Now we need to have it 2FA code to our email. So once we put that in, it should go through. I'm going to show you on my email so you can see how much you can trust me. So when I open my email, there we go, our state code. You copy this code and you paste it in. Perfect. That's it. Nothing else for us to do. That's it. Okay, perfect. Withdrawal is complete. As you can see, the money thing is drawn. The amount is exactly had what I told you this. And the withdrawal is hit our balance word perfectly. Personally.